Today, we are in Ibadan. There is nowhere you go to, as far as you are flying across Ibadan, you know you are over Ibadan, the largest city in Africa. But let me just give you only 2 messages and then I'll leave. Message number 1, amongst all the candidates today in Nigeria that want to be the president, the only candidate that is talking about restructuring Nigeria is which candidate? Is who? Is who? Which party? Hold on, let me tell you what that will do for Ibadan. You see, during the devolution of power, the first skyscraper in Nigeria was which house? Was which house? Was which house? If we come back today, if we had allowed that structure to stay, Ibadan would have been the finest city in Africa. But the only presidential candidate today who has assured us that devolution of power will help Ibadan, will help Oyo State, will help the entire Southwest to regain its own pride of place is which party? Which party? Which candidate? That's number 1. Number 2, look at the distance between Ibadan and Lagos. The only candidate who understands industrialization, who knows that Ibadan, Oyo State, Osun State, they deserve an inland port, is which candidate? Is which candidate? Which party? If we have a viable inland port in Oyo State, development will be very rapid. Economic development will be very rapid. People coming from northwest, middle of part of Nigeria, they will all stop by here. They don't need to go to Lagos port. They will clear their goods here. You know what that will do to Oyo State? You know that will empower the youths, the students, the women, the entire Oyo people. And it's only one candidate that has promised under his industrialization policy that Oyo State deserves an inland port. And that candidate is from which party? Who is that candidate? I have 2 messages for you and that's all. God bless you. PDP!